In 2019, I visited Goa for the 13th time to show you some of its hidden gems and lesser explored commercial places. Coming up. What's happening guys? Welcome to the vlog. आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़ के और वीडियो टाइटल पढ़ के तो मालूम पड़ गया होगा. We are in Goa guys, and this time I'm not alone. I'm with Anuket. Anuket is a guy I met in Uttarakhand. He runs the hot hostel Kasar Devi. अगर आपने वो एपिसोड जाके नहीं देखा तो देख लो, because that's where I met him. We went to the Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary. I was talking to him. He said, I've never been to Goa. I said, season time chalu hai. Let's go. So I'm going to be showing him Goa because I have come here a lot of times. But this time, मैं थोड़े से offbeat places देखना चाहता हूँ. In a budget, you guys know me. Even Anuket is a budget traveler. Right now, we are at Bogmalo Beach. We landed about an hour ago. And the best thing about Bogmalo Beach is its proximity to the airport. तो अगर आपके पास थोड़ा time है kill करने को before your flight, or you have landed late and you want a place to come and see the beach, the sunset, amazing place. मेरे पीछे अभी sunset हो रहा है Bogmalo Beach पे. We just got the last of the sunset. Amazing beach, very secluded, very nice. I just came here to show you guys the beach. Tomorrow morning we'll be heading to South Goa from here. So I will be checking in with you guys tomorrow morning. This is going to be a really exciting series. So guys, stay subscribed, hit the bell button. You guys know the drill. Right now, I shot some footage of the beach. Go check that out and I'll catch you guys in the morning. Good morning guys, day 2 in Goa. I'm at my place called the Seasons Guesthouse. We stayed here. It's an amazing property guys. Just check that out. You know, that is where we are staying, on the houses over there. And I've just come for a walk in the garden. Today we are leaving for Agonda from here, I think in the next half an hour. For that we will have to go to Gaon in a bus. Right from the beach you get the bus, and then from Gaon I change a bus to Agonda. So guys, just got to Vasco da Gama. The bus stand is right behind me. So from here we'll be catching a bus and go to Gaon. From there we will change a bus and go to Agonda. So 3 buses to get to Agonda. Remember that, from Bogmalo. What's happening guys? I just reached my place in Agonda. It's called Waves on Waves. There are these back room cottages that they have, but it is amazing. Just check it out. So these are all the cottages that are around. They are not on the beach. There are beach cottages as well, but those are slightly more expensive. These we got for 800 rupees a night. This is what my cottage looks like. Just one bathroom there, place to sleep, keep your things. They got a nice mosquito net as well. Great place. 2-minute walk from the beach. Like I said, extremely cozy. सिर्फ एक problem थी that हमें 3 बस और 1 रिक्शा change करके यहाँ पहुँचे. But we reached here in about 300 or 400 rupees. जबकि the cab guy was asking from Bogmalo to here 1800 rupees. It's about 65 kilometers. But we are here now, and today evening we're just gonna chill out and explore the Agonda Beach. Like I said, 2 minutes away. So guys, just reached the Agonda Beach. Like I said, it's 2 minutes away from my property. I hope you enjoyed that little property montage that I created. I wanted to show you all how the properties on Agonda Beach look. Actually, most of the properties look like that because the beach shack concept, beach hut concept is very big in Agonda. If you can see these beach huts which are right here, my heart has simply gone for them. They are right by the beach, and I just found out they start at around 2,500 rupees and go up to 7,000 rupees, guys. Depends on your bargaining skills, which season you come. Also, it's 5 o'clock right now, but the sun, if you can see, it's really harsh behind me. In fact, it's very difficult to keep your eyes open as well. But Agonda Beach is beautiful. It's a really nice beach in South Goa. The crowds are less, the waves are nice, the vibes are amazing. In fact, here I've seen a lot of foreigners are traveling with their children. So it's a more quieter, nicer, beautiful part. Now I've come to the beach, so we're gonna do what beach bums do. So guys, come to Goa, can't go the first day without doing this. So right now, just heading into the sea with a mind-blowing sunset and gonna do a little bit of the swimming. So guys, in the water, it's slightly colder than the usual, you know, when I was in Kerala and places like that. Amazing waves coming at you. I'm almost waist down in the water now, and this is just blissful, guys. I just don't know what else to say. It is amazing. Guys, there is something else about swimming in this water. These waves are real. They are rough. Seriously. Agonda Beach, great for swimming. And the big waves keep crashing into you. Wow. Second evening. Woo! So guys, after an epic swim, first swim of Goa, now just going to wash my feet. The chappals are really dirty. And then Agonda Beach is known for one thing. What we're going to do next, I've heard it's mind-blowing. I've never done it before. Actually, this is my first time coming to Agonda Beach as well. So मुझे नहीं मालूम ज़्यादा इस beach के बारे में. मुझे ऐसे ही मालूम पड़ रहा है जैसे आपको मालूम पड़ रहा है. And here I've just washed my feet, and now heading to that amazing spot. Like I told you, there is one activity on Agonda Beach. Actually, there's activities on all beaches, but from here, it's extra special. I was all the way on that side, and now I've come on this side for only one thing, and that is this wonderful sunset, guys. So at the end of the beach, from there, you walk here, and there are rocks at the end, a beautiful mountain you can see behind me, and a wonderful sunset. So a lot of people, as you can see, come here to watch the sunset just like me. There are people sitting here. There's Anuket, and this is a very special way of ending the evening. Take a swim and just come here, guys. It is peaceful, and just check it out. The sun is so amazing. If you guys know and follow the vlogs, you guys know how I love chasing sunsets, and this is a wonderful end to episode 1 of the Goa series. I'm gonna sit here, watch the sunset, and then just crash, because it's been a nice couple of days. Maybe have some dinner. I'll catch you in the next episode. Don't forget to hit the bell icon if you're subscribed, so you get all the updates as I post on this Goa series. Take care. See you. Post this, we just sat back, relaxed, and watched the sun go down with the background sound of the crashing waves on Agonda Beach. There was something very blissful and therapeutic about the whole experience as we sat there with a small crowd. After that, we made it to the main Agonda Beach where the shacks are, checked out the market before catching a shack and calling it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog about Bogmalo and Agonda Beach. If you guys did, please like, share, comment, and guys, consider subscribing and do hit the bell icon if you guys never want to miss an update. Thanks for watching.